Hi everyone, my name is Natasha Mirabal and welcome to this class. In this video, you will learn how to add multiple background images to one element. You will also learn about the following properties: background size, background origin, and background clip. CSS allows you to add multiple background images for an element through the background image property. Multiple background images can be specified using either the individual backgrounds properties or the background shorthand property. Here I have both examples of the individual background properties. We have here background image. In this place you will put the value of the image, the URL between parentheses, and separate by comma the other image. Here we have the flowers and the paper. Then the position that you have to put the image, and if you want to repeat or not repeat. Here we have the paper with the value of repeat because this image is this little square here, and when we put repeat, we will fill all the square, all the rectangle here. The shorthand property, we have the same value here, but just in one single line. So we'll have the URL, right bottom, and not repeat. We will obtain the same result in both images. The CSS background size property allows you to specify the size of background images. The size can be specified in length or percentage, or using one of the two keywords, contain or cover. Here's another example of background size. In the first example, we have the background size and the value in pixels, and we will obtain the resized background image here. Then in example 2 we don't have the background size, and we will obtain the original size of the image. The two other possible values for background size are contain and cover. So we will see an example of in the web. Now we have three different examples here. The first is contain, the second is cover, and the three we don't have the background size. If we don't have this property, we will obtain the original image inside this square. The contain keyword scales the background image to be as large as possible. As such, depending on the proportion of the background image and the background position area, there may be some areas of the background which are not covered by the background image, as we can see here in this space. The cover keyword scales the background image so that the content area is completely covered by the background image. As such, some part of the background image may not be visible in the background position area. Now, define size of multiple background images. The background size property also accepts multiple values of background size using a comma separate list when working with multiple backgrounds. I also show you in the web another example in which we have three different images: the tree, the paper, and the flowers. Now I will show you what's happening if, for example, I will put here no repeat front. Then the paper is on the laptop, and just one because I changed this value. It's important to know the order of the images, and we will put each one of them. I will cut the paper. I will change the order here with the tree. And let me show you. One. Now we have first the paper, then the flowers, and the tree. And here we have the size of each image for the first, second, and the last image. So here we can put many images, but it's important to know in what order we will put each of one. Then we will learn about the background origin. The property takes three different values. For the box, the background image starts from the upper left corner of the border. The padding box is default. The background image starts from the upper left corner of the padding edge. And the content box, the background image starts from the upper left corner of the content. So here we have the three different examples of the values. Now we will see about the background clip. The CSS background clip property specifies the painting area of the background. The property takes three different values. For the box default, the background is painted to the outside edge of the border. Then the padding box, the background is painted to the outside edge of the padding. And the last one, the content box, the background is painted within the content box. The last subject that we will see is full-size background image. The requirements are as follows. Fill the entire page with the image, no white space. Scale image as needed. Center image on the page. Do not cause scroll bars. The following examples show how to do it. Use the HTML element. The HTML element is always at least the height of the browser window. Then set a fixed and center background on it. Then adjust its size with the background size property. So I will show you also in the web this example. Here we have the image, number piece, center and fixed, and the HTML. The background size is cover, so we will obtain all the web page covered with the image. So thanks for seeing my video. Now you have knowledge about the multiple background size, and I hope you can enjoy this video. Thanks for watching.